Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a meta verified option not showing on Instagram. So guys, when you open your Instagram app and when you want to see the option of meta verified and want to apply your account for verification, then you can't find your meta verified option on Instagram. So guys, how can you get this meta verified option? So guys, simply you can get this option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Instagram app and we can see that I have seeing the option or not. So guys, when I am clicking on main profile and three lines and settings and privacy, and guys after this when I am clicking on help, so guys here you can see here is the option of meta verified. So guys, if you can't see here your meta verified option, so guys then you need to go back. And guys, first of all, you need to open your settings in your Android phone. So guys, if you are using Android phone, then you need to open your settings. And guys, after this here you need to see the option of app management find. So guys, you need to click on it and click on app list. And guys, after this here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after searching, you need to open your Instagram app in this tab and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. The second method is you need to open your app store. And guys, Play Store. And if you have using iPhone, then you need to open App Store in that phone. So guys, I am using Android phone, therefore I am opening here Play Store. And guys, after opening your store, you need to search here Instagram. And guys, after this, you need to click on Instagram and update your Instagram app from here. So guys, here you can see I have already updated my app, therefore I have the option of meta verified. So guys, when you update your Instagram app, then you will be able to see the option of meta verified. So guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to see the option of meta verified. So guys, if still not showing you your meta verified option, then you need to open your Instagram app. And guys, after this you need to click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys scroll down, click on help and click on report a problem, click on report a problem. And guys, after this click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you have can't see the option of meta verified. And guys, after writing your problem, you need to upload your screenshot in which you have not showing the option of meta verified. And guys, after uploading your screenshot, simply you need to click on send. And after sending, within a day your problem will be fixed and you will be able to show the option of meta verified on your Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.